Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, go ahead.
Hello there, I was a bit late. I didn't realise I hadn't plugged the aerial in. I was talking to the test set.
Roger that. Right, well, we're now coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you loud and clear at the end of the lane.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster Service Station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Service Station.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilson.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger that. Now going around Scratchy corner, Wilson, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going through Scratchy corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Midland 77 805 Porter pack and the radio's doing a full 4 watts. Over.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're now going over Wilson level crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. And I've said before, this is the worst one. That's the 5 mile point. It's surrounded by trees and a bit of hollow and that. So we find the actual final one at 6 miles at the level crossing is actually better. Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing, and that concludes the test. Thank you. Okay, 10-10. Yeah, well, it sounded better than the Gieson KT750 did, which was the last on the air test. Remember, the sensitivity isn't as good as some of these. It's not faulty, but it's not as good as some of these. But it's not as bad as some of these either. And because you don't know how much of that is the messing about it's had or what. So that is excellent considering how it came in, and I'm sure the customer will be pleased to get it back. Now, the only dilemma I've got is I'm running on the tail of the Porter Pack case power tail stub thing. Where have I put it? Anyway, I wonder if he's got a power lead for it. I'm going to try ask him. Right, anyway, we'll go over to our base station and we'll see what it sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the Midland 77 805 UK. Customer repair with original factory microphone into our Harris CBHQ base station. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. And thanks for watching.